Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView with Exness Easy Guide. First, open your Exness account and confirm trading access, then sign in to TradingView. Next, open the chart you plan to trade and choose the asset. Enable the broker connection in TradingView, select Exness, and follow the on-screen prompts to authorize. After linking, test with a demo order to verify execution and connectivity before trading live. Now customize your charts in TradingView to match Exness execution. Pick time frames that fit your style, like 1M for scalping or 1H for swing trades. Add reliable indicators such as moving averages, RSI, and volume to reduce guesswork. Organize a watch list with preferred instruments and save layouts as templates for quick recall. Finally, color code orders and alerts so you can spot trade signals immediately while monitoring account activity. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more trading tips. Quick recommendation: life is short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort while you trade. It pairs surprisingly well with long chart sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, then hit like if that helped, and now let's get back to the video. Placing and managing orders requires discipline and clarity. Choose market orders for instant fills or limit orders to control entry price when liquidity varies. Always set stop loss and take profit levels to protect capital and define reward to risk ratios. After sending orders from TradingView to Exness, check fills, slippage, and balance in your broker dashboard. Adjust orders only with a clear plan and avoid overtrading during volatile sessions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.